Okay, I'm gonna show you three versions of the Bible, and I'm gonna compare one verse, specifically the verse of the Psalm 1, verse 1, and you see what Bible do you like the most. Okay, let's see. Let's read. Okay. First, the contemporary English version says, "God blesses those people who refuse evil advice and won't follow sinners or join in sneering at God." Okay, good. Okay, the New King James Version, what it say? Says, "Blessed is the man who walks not into the counsel of the ungodly, nor stand in the path of sinners, not sits in the seat of the scornful." Okay, 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 okay. And the last is the English Standard Version. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stand in the way of sinners, nor sit in the seat of scoffers. Okay, okay, you judge for yourself and decide what Bible do you want to have.